If we weren't going there tomorrow, I would have gone there yesterday. This means that I didn't go there yesterday because I plan to go there tomorrow. I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are talking about 6 types of mixed conditionals. These are sentences that we use to explain how something in one time period affects something in a different time period. And the first one that we're going to look at is past conditions with present results, or how something in the past affects something in the present. For this one, we use if, past perfect, subject, would, verb. Also, for every conditional that we talk about today, instead of using a verb, you can also use be with an adjective, a noun, verb ing, or a preposition. For example, if you hadn't broken the law, you wouldn't be in jail right now. This means that I think the reason that you are in jail right now is that, in the past, you broke the law. Or, if I had drunk more milk as a child, I would probably be taller. This basically means that I am not very tall, and it's probably because when I was a child, I didn't drink very much milk. But to keep this video simple today, I'm mostly going to use verbs. Next, we have past conditions with future results, or how something in the past is going to affect something in the future. And for this one, we usually use if, past perfect, subject, would, be, verb ing. For example, if she had worked harder, she would be graduating next week. This basically means that she didn't work hard enough, and that is why she is not graduating next week. Or, if he hadn't broken his leg, he would be going skiing with us next month. This basically means that he broke his leg, and that is why he will not be going skiing with us. And then we have present conditions with past results, or how something that is true now affected something in the past. For this one, we use if, past tense, subject, would have, past participle. For example, if I had a car, I would have driven to work yesterday. That basically means that I don't have a car, and that is why I didn't drive to work yesterday. Or, if she were friendly, I would have invited her to the party. This one basically means that she's not friendly, and that's why I didn't invite her to the party. Our fourth mixed conditional is present conditions with future results, or how something that is true right now affects the future. For this one, we use if, past tense, subject, would, verb. For example, if I weren't sick, I would go with you this evening. This one basically means I'm sick, and that is the reason why I will not be going with you. Or, if she had more vacation leave, she would join us on our trip next week. This one basically means that the reason that she won't be joining us is that she doesn't have enough vacation leave remaining. And our fifth mixed conditional is future conditions with past results, or how something in the future affected something in the past. For this one, we use if, past tense, subject, would have, past participle. For example, if we weren't going there tomorrow, I would have gone there yesterday. This one basically means that the reason I didn't go there yesterday is that we are going there tomorrow. Or, if she didn't have an exam next week, she would have come shopping with us yesterday. This one basically means that she didn't come shopping with us yesterday because she has an exam next week. Our final mixed conditional is future conditions with present results, or how something in the future affects something in the present. And for this one, we use if, past tense, subject, would, be, verb ing. For example, if I didn't have a job interview tomorrow morning, I would be drinking beer right now. This basically means that the only reason that I'm not drinking beer right now is that I have a job interview tomorrow morning. Or, if I weren't going on vacation next week, I wouldn't be so busy right now. This one basically means that the reason I'm so busy right now is that I am going on vacation next week. I'm probably busy because I'm doing things to prepare for that vacation. And one thing that I want to say before we finish is that these conditionals are flexible. There are lots of different things that we can do with them. For example, many of these conditionals use past tense, but you probably noticed that I didn't specify whether it was past simple or past continuous. This is because in many situations, you could use either one, depending on what you're trying to say and how you are trying to say it. Also, this is not a simple topic, and I definitely don't expect you to remember all of this today. However, I do recommend watching this video one more time, writing down the examples that I gave you, and then trying to write some of your own examples. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.